There are two lovely goats, not goats, they are animals. Yeah.
In the jungle,
Yes, the goats have gone to the jungle to be fed as time immemorial, as for the last 2,000, 3,000 years. And there is lovely little cock happily enjoying himself. Today is Friday, the 15th of November 2024. There is a lot of smog in the area, but that is all pollution and basically need to cut down on transport. I am at the Lotus Pond, which is an amazing place. Pir Firoz Shah came here from Shiraz in Tehran, in Iran, and he obviously converted the locals to Islam. You can look it up on the web. I'm sure there must be some information. He then built this pond. It's pink lotus. It flowers in June, July. And according to Amna, who is our coordinator today and our guide, she says it's a beautiful sight. So you have to come in June or July, which is peak heat period. Yeah. And the roots of this pink lotus used to be eaten by the locals for food, and the water could be drunk for cooking and normal use. But because of the pollution and lots of population, the water is not drinkable anymore. But it's a very peaceful place. You can hear the birds. I will shut up so you can hear the birds. We are just outside the shrine of Pir Firoz Shah Shirazi. I must definitely look that up. And
मैम वो जो ट्री नहीं है,
हाँ
बेरी का ट्री है ना, आई थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाओ। तो उसका भी यही है कि जब फिरोज शाह शिराजी आए थे ना, तो उन्होंने जस्ट एक वो किला टाइप नहीं होता जो लगाते हैं अपनी बकरी को बांधने के लिए, तो वो ये दरख्त वो है, मींस कि वो लगाया था उस टाइम, तो इट्स स्टिल हियर।
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह।
इसके फायदे ये हैं।
We are at the shrine of Pir Firoz Shah Shirazi, and there are two lovely white goats. They are tied, but they've got plenty to eat, and their owners come and feed them. And you are gorgeous. Yes, I have always liked goats. That does it. I need a goat.
The white one is so cute.
They are so cute.
Yeah.
Lovely. This is the fruit of the, it's called berry hai, or the tree is the berry ka darakht, or and so you can see the size of it. It's a small one. Yeah. Berry, I don't know, we'll find out the English name for it on the internet, but in normally in the shops you get the big, we call it bear, and they are about 1.5 inches or 1 inch long. And this is the tree that Pir Firoz Shah Shirazi planted it when he came to the local village and when he converted the locals to Islam. This tree is the same tree, so you can see how thick the bark is. Yeah. So you look at the bricks and then you look at the tree, so you can imagine how thick the bark is. And then the leaves are medicinal. People take them to feed their animals, and if you rub the leaves on your skin, if you have any skin illness or germ, so then it is obviously antiseptic as well as it will clean it. So as you know, I'm into trees with our forest and everything. So this is useful, and I'm going to try and find out about the medicinal properties of the berry tree, berry ka darakht in Urdu. We are at the shrine of Pir Firoz Shah Shirazi, and there it is. And the ancestors of Begum Samina Nazir are obviously buried here, her parents, her grandparents, and you can again hear the birds. And we'll take our shoes off when we go inside the dargah. And they've kept it nice. They're going to open the door for us. Photo. That's it. We are at the Mazar, actual Mazar of Hazrat Firoz Shah Shirazi. There is his wife's Mazar, there is his Mazar, and about 4 years ago, this was all this glass work, which, as you know, is in Iran, since he came from Shiraz, we have been to Shiraz, and there also they have this beautiful glass work, and it was paid for by the locals as well as the brother of Begum Samina Nazir, Brigadier Nazir Muhammad Sarwar. So he's contributed a lot of money to it, and it's an amazing place to see. And it's lovely to see this glass work again. Last I saw it was in Shiraz and Isfahan and in other palaces in Iran. This is an old custom. It's all the same all over the world. People, if they want something, and they come here for prayers, and then they tie the cloth and a knot in it, and when they have their wish fulfilled, they come back and they untie the knot. But we have the same system with the locks on bridges. Humans are the same everywhere, and their desires are the same. In the distance is the shrine of Hazrat Pir Firoz Shah Shirazi, his son. One son is buried there, and the other one has his mazar some distance away. So he sent his sons for... I start again, because I was afraid it didn't record. That is the mazar of Pir Firoz Shah Shirazi's son, and there is another one further away where he sent his sons for tabligh and converted the locals to Islam. And this is the khidmatgar in Urdu is the people who looked after him. This is their grave. So that's respect, with great respect, is next to their Pir Firoz Shah Shirazi. And there's a lovely plant which is absolutely, flowering, peak period. Now over there, they have people come for hunting. There are streams. And over on the other side, before partition, the Sikhs used to live there. But partition has changed the demography of the area, and that's the same all over the world. People had to migrate. So this is the old archaeological site. These are the older gravestones, and people let their animals go in there and feed. So it provides nourishment, and because there is water, so they also have wild animals and people come for hunting. I will just quickly read this. Ittila-e-Aam, it's notice. ये दरबार शरीफ, कब्रिस्तान और कमल का तालाब हमारे गांव खानकाह का तारीखी विरसा है। गांव के रिहायशी और बाहर से आने वाले मेहमानों से दरख्वास्त है कि इनकी हिफाजत में हमारी मदद इस तरह किया करें। यहाँ पर किसी किस्म का शॉपर और कूड़ा करकट ना फेंकें। ये तालाब बहुत गहरा है और इसमें बहुत से लोग और बच्चे गिरकर मर चुके हैं। इसमें हरगिज़ ना जाएं। बाहर से आने वाले मेहमान ना ही पैसे बांटें और ना किसी को कोई नजराना ये रकम हरगिज़ न दें। मज़ार के अंदर ताले वाले डिब्बे में अतिया डाल दें। दरबार कमेटी आपकी रकम दरबार की हिफाजत और मरम्मत के लिए इस्तेमाल करेगी। मज़ीद मालूमात और शिकायत के लिए कमेटी के नुमाइंदे से रब्ता करें। एंड देयर इज़ द फ़ोन नंबर 0314 5460 But I think they have done an amazing job here, trying their best at... Yes.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शिराजी सिस्सी बी नाड़ा मुगला खानका यूनियन काउंसिल जंद का पहला मंसूबे का नाम तामीर चार दीवारी कब्रिस्तान और तालाब। तारीख़ आगाज़ 1 जुलाई 2007, तारीख़ इख्तिताम 25 दिसंबर 2007। मंसूबे की लागत फिर कम्युनिटी का हिस्सा आ जाता है 20%, और वो बनता है तकरीबन 2,32,460। दैन हमारे जो गवर्नमेंट है उसका हिस्सा आ जाता है विच इज़ अबाउट 80%, एंड 9,29,840 रुपीज़। और कुल लागत जो इसकी बनती है वो 11,62,300 रुपीज़। शिराजी सीसी
शराजी CCB और कम्युनिटी मेंबरान मिर्ज़ा खालिद नज़ीर, मिर्ज़ा जुल्फ़कार और TM चकवाल और मकामी इदारा पौधा के माली तावन के मशकूर हैं। गाँव के तमाम ख़वातीन हज़रात तावन और एक्टिव कमेटी की अनथक कोशिशों से ये मंसूबा पाया तकमील तक पहुँचा, लेकिन दर्जा झैल मेंबरान ने शुरू से लेकर आखिर तक ऐसे लगन और जानफशाई और खुलूस से काम किया जो यादगार रहेगा, जिसमें मिर्ज़ा मोहम्मद नज़ीर सीनियर कम्युनिटी मेंबर, मिर्ज़ा जमील, मिर्ज़ा मुज़फ़्फ़र चेयरमैन CCB सेक्रेटरी हैं और मिर्ज़ा आरिफ साहब प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर, नसीना खालिद ख़जानची हैं, अल्लाह दित्ता साहब CCB मेंबर हैं।
Thank you very much. In Zamir school class, and Amna is going to tell us, Mariam, sorry, I thought it was Amna. Mariam is going to tell us how they teach science, and I'll let her, while I record it, she will speak.
Okay, we do the STEM activities on the weekly basis, like one day of the week, like on Saturday or Friday. We practically explain them about the science, technology, mathematics, and like this is the chart which showing the part of the flower. We also explained it with the help of this chart and practically with the help of a real flower, and then we divide the plants into different portions, and then we practically explain these are the plant, these are the part of this plant.
Have you got microscopes?
No.
No microscope.
And we also did different activities related to STEM activities, like in science subjects. We have a topic on dicot and monocot. When we are now, how can we know this plant is dicot and monocot? First we will visit to our agriculture farm and we can took some seeds of plants, and we divided these seeds in two parts, and then we see the what seed is dicot and what seed is monocot, and that's why we know that this plant is dicot and monocot.
And you have no magnifying glasses?
We also celebrate all of the days, like this is the chart for the health day, and we explain on the chart that how we can be healthy, like eat healthy, don't smoke or drink, and wash your hand before eating, and do yoga or exercise daily.
I'm really pleased that you're suggesting yoga, but that is easy exercises, stretching exercises for mind and body. I'm very impressed. So no magnifying glasses and no microscopes, which is basic necessity if you're going to do biology.
These are all related to our science topic, and we practically teach our students about how the solar system and where our earth are located, and sun, and
how many planets we have. And we also celebrate the days. This is the chart for our Earth Day in 22 April 2023, and we perform different activities like recycling the products. And this is the recycling, one of the product of the recycling, that we use different pieces of charts and different newspaper, and we made these handicrafts.
Thank you. Thank you both, Amna and Mariam. I could spend 3 days here recording, but it is well worth just, as I always said, half a loaf is better than no loaf. This is rainwater harvesting.
You must have some pakora.
This is a tandoor or oven, and it's been like this for the last 5,000, 10,000 years. All they're doing is burning wood in it, and then when it's hot enough, they will put, there's the atta, and they will put the naan in it, and it will be fresh naan. I know most people who will watch this will be jealous, and I'm very, very fortunate. Thanks to Begum Samina Nazir and Begum Zarina Iqbal, I'm here. The person who is most to thank is Begum Zarina Iqbal. If it wasn't for her and Jano and Mia Jan, I would not be here. And it's thanks to their generosity that I'm here and I'm staying at their place. I used to stay in Lahore with Zarur, inshallah. So I used to stay in Lahore because Mahmood Alam Marhoom was college and school friend of my father's, and Begum Suraya Alam was his wife, and she adopted myself and my family and Tawfiq as well and gave us a lot of love. And thanks to those, Allah unhe jannat nasib kare, may they have a good place in heaven. Ameen. And Begum's Ameen, Summa Ameen. And I wanted to thank Mrs. Zarina Iqbal for her generosity, for her hospitality, and for introducing us to such lovely people here, and to Samina Nazir, because of whom we are having an amazing experience here. Thank you so much. We are actually witnessing a 5,000-year-old system. There is this cushion that she puts in, and her hand is behind it. There's the cushion, and she's making them by hand right in front of us, and you can't imagine the aroma. Bolo.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farzana Ashraf. I am farm manager, Poda Sustainable Agriculture and Climate Change. This is our model farm and total farmland in 10 canal, and we sowing seasonal vegetables. This is our first plot and citrus and grapes plot, and total 103 plant and 3 varieties: King Ruby, Pullet and Cordner. And this one is grapes, and she is fruiting starting time is March, and in the summer we start pruning and make the new plant. And this one is seasonal vegetables like this vegetable is pak chui salad and fennel, and we sowing this one is winter vegetables, and people like this salad, and other one is peas. And our farm is 100% organic. We use compost fertilizer, and then we use the rain harvesting water, and we promote the farmers, women and youth. And we also sowing in first time in Chakwal drought areas like broccoli, cauliflower and cabbage, peas and turnip and coriander and other vegetables like garlic, onion. This is very good vegetables in Pakistan and village level, and people promote the farmers, women and our farm.
Thank you very much. Most grateful for that.
Grapes इस तरह ये होते हैं, little apple जैसे आप कह लें.
These are what they call, it's a berry, and but it's long, as we showed. There are 2 types, the round ones and the long ones, and this obviously the leaf, but if you look it up, it is very nutritious and good fruit. This is a guava tree, and look at the lovely long beautiful leaves, and as everybody knows, I absolutely adore guavas. This is the 15th of November 2024, and guavas have just started coming in the season. What I like about Pakistan is that you get seasonal fruit, so it's the most nutritious, and I just adore guavas. Just about 10 seconds ago, Babar has taken out this peanut plant out of the ground. It's ready, and this is raw peanut as it comes out of the ground. And don't और नमक निकालें. अच्छा season है इसका, चले. So he is going, taking it out. Babar, he runs this.
This one sizing.
Oh, beautiful.
ये मैडम को दिखाना हमारी मेरे जरीना सलामत को. टेस्ट अच्छा ना मैम. ये F1 सीड है इसका, पीनट का. ये हम हाथ नहीं लगा रहे.
An eggplant growing in this organic farm. Beautiful little purple flowers with a beautiful hanging eggplant.
Avocado है.
Here is their chilies, avocado. और क्या बताया आपने? Mango plants.
Ma'am, this is the passion fruit.
Oh, passion fruit. Yes. So it's a beautiful, clean Polytunnel, but a
Ginger.
tall one. Oh, ginger as well.
Ginger. This
So they are growing ginger. They are protecting the papaya plant from the cold weather, because it does get very cold in this Chakwal area. And I think this is a brilliant idea. We can protect our plants like that. I hadn't thought of it. It's so simple. All they've done is they've protected it, and it should do it. Yes, that is a very good idea. I hadn't thought of protecting my outdoor plants like this. Yes, very good.
ड्रैगन
ड्रैगन फ्रूट ये वाला
Oh, there's the
dragon
dragon
plant है,
fruit
हमने shift
plant.
करने हैं।
They will be shifted.
ये हम लाहौर से लेके आए हैं, वहाँ पे एक फार्म था, उसमें विजिट किया था, तो फिर ये एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए लेके आए हैं कि यहाँ पे भी लगाएं।
So this is an experimental farm as well to educate the local farmers. ये क्या है?
एवोकाडो ट्री
Avocado. These are avocado trees, and you know how expensive avocados are, and also all plants are nutritious.
इसका सीड आपको पता है बहुत महंगा मिलता है, ये अस्वाद की तरफ होता है।
Yes.
3000 का वो, शायद आपको समझ आए, माशे होते हैं उस तरह से वेट इसका करते हैं, केजी तो बहुत महंगा है।
महंगे, हाँ.
तो वो माशों में
A few grams,
ये
few
grams
grams.
होता है इसका।
Yeah, these are the starts for onions, and then of course they'll be taking them out of the ground and planting them. The onion seed apparently is very, very expensive, sold by the gram rather than by the kilo.
This is a weather station for women, rural women farmers from the Poda, and we take the reading on the daily basis, and then we make a weekly update along with the advisory, and then we send it into local language to the rural women via WhatsApp groups.
So the WhatsApp group is very useful and being used productively.
About 1,300 women on a weekly basis get this information.
So 1,300 ladies or 1,300 women get this information about the weather that is happening, the soil. So you can see the moisture,
Yes.
soil moisture meter is there, and of course weather station is there, and then they can make an informed decision. And there are 1,300
Yes.
ladies on the beneficiaries on that WhatsApp group. There's a lot of information on this one poster, and this is their office where they basically obviously do lectures and educate the women farmers, and then they go out in the field and obviously educate. They have got 1,300 women every week get that information about the weather station. So 1,300 times 52 weeks in the year is a lot of footfall, but WhatsApp footfall.
Before 2 days ago, Miss Laila come to Italy, and she trained two farmers, women, and she trained to how to preserve the olive in 1 year, and then we use the salt and mix and put the jar, and after 1 year,
After 15 to 20 days, it will get debittering process of the olive will start, and then we can use this olive for pickle purpose, and then we also can make jams and other thing also.
and every day 2 times is
We have to
mixing
shake
like
it.
this, shaking.
We have to shake it 2 times a day, so that this क्या कहते हैं
Mixing
इसको,
the salt
water came across all these fruit.
Right.
Then the fruit is sweety.
Then it will be sweet.
Yes.
Will be sweet.
We use the green olive for the pickle, and this purple one also used for the pickle, but these are the mature one.
That's right.
We can use
She trained the women's first selection the fruit, and damaged fruit now is useful for the pickles and marketing point of view.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
And
So
this
there
one
are
is crushed olive.
crushed olives. Lovely. And when olive in itself is quite bitter, but they've got crushed olives and they have put salt in it to basically preserve it.
After crushing, we have to put it directly into the water so that it cannot get black in color.
That's right.
These are the lids of the bottles, and we are recycling it by covering it with paper, and we are using it at table mat and glass mats.
Absolutely brilliant. I wondered how they did it. And these are just bottle tops that would be thrown away
Yeah.
and pollute the atmosphere. They're turning it into placemats, beautiful placemats. And they have a project on sending daughters to school and not to get them married. And here's another one, underage marriage. पढ़ने और खेलने की उम्र में अपने बच्चों की शादी जुल्म भी है. Children should be playing and studying, not getting married. 15th of November 2024, Friday, Jummah. Jummah namaz has happened and we are now eating properly organic food. We have got maize bread, we got homemade pickle, we've got dhania, yogurt, we got the curry, of course fresh salad, fresh naan just made a few minutes ago, halwa, and
कड़ी बहुत अच्छी